Spain is home to some of the most flavorful and iconic dishes in the world. From crispy churros to the legendary paella, Spanish cuisine is all about bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and rich traditions. Which Spanish dish is your favorite? Have you tried them all? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food adventures. 30. Escalivada. A Catalan dish of grilled eggplant, red peppers, onions, and tomatoes, drizzled with olive oil. Often served on toasted bread or as a side dish. 29. Bacalao a la Vizcaína. A Basque dish featuring salted cod cooked in a rich sauce made with tomatoes, onions, garlic, and red peppers. A staple of Spanish coastal cuisine. 28. Churros con chocolate. Crispy deep-fried dough sticks, dusted with sugar and served with thick, hot chocolate for dipping. A Spanish breakfast and snack time favorite. 27. Pisto manchego. A Spanish version of ratatouille, made with zucchini, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. Often topped with a fried egg for extra richness. 26. Empanada gallega. A savory pie from Galicia, filled with tuna, peppers, onions, and tomatoes, encased in flaky golden pastry. A favorite at Spanish picnics and gatherings. 25. Salmorejo. A creamy cold tomato soup from Andalusia, made with tomatoes, bread, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar, then topped with hard-boiled eggs and ham. 24. Gambas al ajillo. Juicy shrimp sautéed in sizzling garlic-infused olive oil with a touch of chili pepper. This quick, flavorful dish is a must-try at tapas bars. 23. Fabada asturiana. A hearty bean stew from Asturias, made with white beans, chorizo, black pudding, and pork belly. A comforting winter dish full of bold flavors. 22. Migas. A traditional peasant dish made with stale bread, garlic, chorizo, and paprika, fried in olive oil. Popular in rural Spain and often served with grapes. 21. Turin. A classic Spanish nougat, made from almonds, honey, sugar, and egg whites. A must-have during Christmas, available in soft or hard varieties. 20. Fideuà. A Valencian seafood dish similar to paella, but made with thin noodles instead of rice. Cooked with fish, shrimp, squid, and saffron-infused broth. 19. Calçots con salsa romesco. Grilled spring onions from Catalonia, dipped in romesco sauce, made with roasted peppers, almonds, garlic, and olive oil. A seasonal culinary event. 18. Pulpo a la gallega. Tender Galician-style octopus, boiled and seasoned with paprika, olive oil, and sea salt, served on wooden plates with boiled potatoes. 17. Croquetas. Crispy, golden brown croquettes filled with bechamel sauce and bits of ham, cheese, or seafood. A tapas bar essential in Spain. 16. Pimientos de padrón. Small Galician green peppers, fried in olive oil and sprinkled with salt. Some are mild, others are unexpectedly spicy, making them a fun Russian roulette snack. 15. Rabo de toro. A slow-cooked oxtail stew, originally a bullfighting dish from Córdoba. The meat falls off the bone, bathed in a rich red wine sauce. 14. Cochinillo asado. A suckling pig roasted whole until crispy. A Segovian specialty, known for its tender, juicy meat and crispy golden skin. 13. Albóndigas en salsa. Spanish meatballs simmered in a rich tomato or almond-based sauce. Often served as a tapas dish or main course with rice or fries. 12. Chorizo a la sidra. Spicy Spanish chorizo, slow-cooked in Asturian cider, bringing out its smoky, juicy flavors. Served in small earthenware dishes. 11. Tortilla española. Spain's famous potato omelette, made with eggs, onions, and thinly sliced potatoes, cooked until golden and fluffy. Enjoyed hot or cold. 10. Calamares a la romana. Crispy, golden fried squid rings, served with fresh lemon wedges. A beachside favorite, often enjoyed with a cold beer. 9. Patatas bravas. Crispy fried potatoes, drizzled with spicy brava sauce, paprika-based, and aioli. One of Spain's most beloved tapas dishes. 8. Escudella I carn d'olla. A Catalan winter stew, made with pork, veal, chicken, sausage, and vegetables. Often served in 2 courses, broth first, then meat and veggies. 7. Bacalao al pil pil. A Basque cod dish, cooked slowly in garlic, olive oil, and chili, creating a silky, emulsified sauce that coats the fish beautifully. 6. Pimientos rellenos. Large peppers stuffed with a rich filling of meat, seafood, or cheese, then baked in a light tomato sauce. A staple in Spanish home cooking. 5. Gazpacho. A cold tomato-based soup from Andalusia, blended with cucumber, garlic, olive oil, vinegar, and peppers. The perfect dish for hot summers. 4. Jamón ibérico. Cured Iberian ham, aged for years and thinly sliced for an intense, melt-in-your-mouth texture. The crown jewel of Spanish charcuterie. 3. Pisto. A Spanish vegetable stew, similar to ratatouille, made with tomatoes, peppers, zucchini, onions, and eggplant, often topped with a fried egg. 2. Paella Valenciana. The most authentic version of paella, made with rabbit, chicken, green beans, saffron, and bomba rice. A dish that defines Valencian cuisine. 1. Tapas. Not a single dish, but a way of eating in Spain. A selection of small plates, from chorizo and olives to seafood and cheese, enjoyed with drinks and friends. And that's our journey through Spain's most famous dishes. From the sizzling patatas bravas to the rich flavors of Paella Valenciana, Spanish cuisine is a celebration of tradition, regional diversity, and bold ingredients. Whether you're indulging in tapas with friends or enjoying a comforting bowl of gazpacho on a hot summer day, Spain's culinary treasures have something for everyone. Did we miss any of your favorite Spanish dishes? Which one would you love to try next? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other culinary journeys. Top 30 Japanese dishes, a trip through sushi, ramen, and the best of Japanese flavors. Top 30 French dishes, from buttery croissants to the famous bœuf bourguignon. Top 30 Italian dishes, the ultimate list of pasta, pizza, and decadent desserts. Top 30 most famous dishes in the world, the greatest global dishes, all in one video. Top 50 most used ingredients in the world, discover the essential ingredients behind every amazing dish. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food adventures from around the world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next food journey.